What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on Solana because once again on the 1 hour chart we are forming here some interesting trading setups. So if you are interested about all of the potential trades that I'm planning to take on this coin, of course if certain conditions are met, then definitely watch this video till the end. But before that I would like to ask you if you like my videos and you like my analysis. I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under a video because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So yeah, thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Another thing that I want to say is that today is one of the last days that you can use a 20% discount on my VIP trading group membership, where I am sharing all of my trades. So I am sharing there my exact entries, exact stop loss, exact take profit targets, etc. on all of my trades. And there is also a copy trading option in which you can automatically copy my trades with absolutely zero work. So if you are interested in more information, you can find it on my public Discord group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 1 hour chart. Right now we are forming here this potential falling wedge. There are also other interesting things that I'm currently watching here, and the first one is this bullish order block, which is between levels 170 and 167. This bullish order block I want to use for opening a long position, but the setup for this trade is right now like this. So to open here a long position, I want to see here a liquidity grab under like this important lows, because yeah, there will be probably many stop losses. So yeah, I just want to see that liquidity grab, then pull back up again, and then support confirmation. As I said in the beginning, we are forming here this falling wedge. So I want to see here, for example, something like this. So like a liquidity grab, support confirmation above this support, then pull back up again, and then a support confirmation. Actually, we have here two ways how to handle this potential fake out. The first one will be to set a limit order to this support, in which you will be speculating that the price will bounce. Probably even better will be just to wait for that bounce and let's say open that long position slightly higher. So for example, if the market will do let's say something like this, so let's say the testing will be in this area, then you will set the entry let's say slightly above, so you are not speculating to let's say open it right now. I hope it's understandable. And stop loss you will place either under this support or under the low that we will create during the fake out. And the last take profit targets, well, we will talk about it later. Or you can just let's say wait for that pullback up again, and then wait for a support confirmation, in which you will be placing the stop loss again either under this support or under the low that we created during the fake out. Or if you want to have here let's say slightly higher risk, you can place it just under this bullish order block. Before this video continues, I just want to share with you my actual stats from my trading account, because nowadays there are a lot of people who are doing this trading educational content, but those people are usually not profitable traders, and I'm trying to be as transparent as possible. So right now you can see my actual stats from my copy trading account. You can see how many trades I taken, what's my win rate, what's my ROI, etc. And if you, for example, want to learn how to trade, or if you simply want to copy my exact trades, you can simply DM me on my Discord, and we will definitely figure something out. And also I want to add that you can verify this data publicly, because this is my copy trading account on a Bluffin exchange, and you can simply find my trading account there, and yeah, you can verify this data. So let's now take a look on all of these scenarios, and let's start, in my opinion, with the most risky one, and that will be like just a set limit order on this support of this falling wedge. Stop loss in this case, well, put it let's say somewhere slightly under this support, because this trade will be really risky. So you don't want to let's say place it without the stop loss, because of course something like this can happen, and then you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. So let's say set the potential stop loss around like 2 2.5%. That should still give you a good risk reward ratio. And your last take profit target, well, with these trades, I am aiming for this bearish order block, which is between levels 204 and 202, which will give you potential risk reward ratio in this trade, let's say 9.9, which is like almost 10, and that's really good. But definitely in this case, it's important to take multiple take profit targets. So if you will enter here, some of the profits definitely take under this bullish order block, because once there is a breakdown resistance confirmation, this will be like an important resistance area. Then definitely some of the profits take under this potential falling wedge, because there is still high probability that the market will be doing, for example, something like this, and after that there will be like a breakout. So yeah, again, take some of the profits here. Then some of the profits under this bearish order block, which is between levels 191 and 188, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio will be, let's say, around 7.5, but that's in my opinion still really good. So yeah, this is the first possible trade that you can take here. The other potential long trade you can enter after there will be a pullback up again. So you are not setting here a limit order, and you will just wait if there will be a bounce back up, and then you will open here a long trade. So let's say you will open it, for example, somewhere around here, but of course right now we can't know how the market will react or when we actually gonna test this support line. Stop loss, in this case, you can place either under this support of this falling wedge or under the low that we will create during the fake out. Again, I would let's say hold the stop loss, let's say somewhere around that 3%, because I'm still aiming for this bullish order block. So I want to have here, let's say, at least decent risk reward ratio. So the risk reward ratio needs to be around 7, because still we are like taking here multiple take profit targets. And yeah, the potential take profit targets will be the same as in the previous one. So some of the profits taken this bullish order block, then under this potential resistance, under this bearish order block, and under this second bearish order block. This trade is much safer, because you are avoiding the risk that there will be just a huge dump, but the potential risk reward ratio here is slightly worse. And the last possible option that I'm currently watching here will be valid in case of a breakout, fake out, and then support confirmation. As I said, stop loss in this case, I will probably put it just under this bearish order block, because then the potential stop loss will be like 1.8%. So if I will be speculating here for this last bearish order block, I still have that risk reward ratio 10, and we will have here like a perfect breakdown and then a fake out. So me personally, this is like my most favorite setup. And again, take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits take under this potential resistance, then under this bearish order block, and then under this second bearish order block. And because we are taking here like only 3 take profit targets, and the first one is actually, let's say, at least like 5%, which is like multiple times more than the potential stop loss, the risk reward ratio will be still, I think, at least around 8. So with this trade, we will have the best potential risk to reward. Okay guys, thank you everybody for watching this video. Maybe another setup that you can take here will be valid in case of a breakout and then support confirmation of this falling wedge, but we have here like these 2 important bearish order blocks, so the risk reward ratio from this trade is probably not gonna be that great. So yeah, as I said, I am waiting here for that breakdown and liquidity grab, because yeah, trading like an order blocks, I am, let's say, doing much more than simply like trading these retail setups, because on the big coin like this, for example like Solana, the retail setups are usually not working that well, so I am trading here a liquidity. But yeah guys, if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all for me for today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.